very important. We are in a very specific industry where things can kind of just be the same, and you kind of just continue to hit your head against a wall because it kind of works and it gets stuff out the door so you make money. But being able to get out of that environment, especially in a world like this where it's not beer focused, allows me to find new ideas.
We're all facing very similar challenges on a global scale, and in a post-COVID, post-supply chain challenged world, it's good to see people in person and understand one-on-one what people are thinking and feeling.
Really important, especially meeting with real people. With the pandemic, there's been a lot of Zoom, a lot of Teams meeting. We all had enough of it, and just connecting and being able to just have by the coffee table conversation is always really important, because this is where you get the actual stories, the real story, what's really happening.